we have some our one more friend from Pakistan, Akib Khushi sir. He's from Punjab, Pakistan, Punjab. So welcome to all. My name is Mukesh Singh Bagre, and from Ping Pong Philic Startup Incubation Unique Society. And on behalf of PSIUS India, I am welcoming all the participants as today's topic for discussion is coach role in player performance. It is a very important topic, and it is an open platform. So we want all the participants to give their views, share their views one by one, and we will discuss on this issue that is mainly faced by players, and sometimes coaches may also face. So let's start with first. I'm going to introduce our influencer or participant. So start with Mr. Akib Khushid, sir. Sir, please unmute yourself first. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to this platform. जी. So okay, sir.
Recording in progress. जी सर.
Okay, sir. And now I just want to say that मिस्टर आकिब खुशी
जी जी
सर
यस
ने बहुत अच्छा बताया कि इसके बहुत सारे रोल होते हैं जो कोच होता है हमारा, और मेनली इट कैन बी अ मल्टी टैलेंटेड person, and the qualities that told by Akib sir is very good. That means coach can be a teacher, mentor, friend, and as a discipliner also, who can teach their students being a discipline. And now I just a common thing I just want to everyone, to all the
जी सर, मैं कोच के बारे में इतना ही कहना चाहता था क्योंकि मेरी जो रिसर्च है
जी
वो यही है।
ओके
तो आगे सर आप बेहतर गाइड कीजिए।
बिल्कुल सर, and one more thing, to all the participant I just want to know, according to you, if I want to say in one word, what is according to you coach, in one word? Yes, Ajay sir. In one word, if you want to relate coach, so what is according to you? Hello, yes Gaurav sir. Okay, unmute. Yes sir, now you unmute. Hello. Okay. Now I'm audible.
Yes
It's okay. So my question is that, according to all of you, in one word, what is coach? In one word, one by one. Yes, Ajay sir.
I think mentor, mentor.
Mentor. Okay, sir. And Gaurav sir, according to you,
Big boss.
big boss. And Sandeep sir, according to you.
I think he's on mute.
Okay.
He's on mute.
And Akib sir, according to you, you have mentioned most of the things, but according to you, in one word, what is according to you, coach?
So not only one word, a different name of coach एक्सप्लेन भी कर चुका हूँ मैं।
Yes sir.
कोच एक टीचर भी हो सकता है, एक ट्रेनर भी हो सकता है, एक
Yes, sir.
प्लेयर के लिए मोटिवेटर भी हो सकता है, फंड
Yes,
रेजर
sir.
भी हो सकता है, और सबसे बड़ी बात कोच एक फ्रेंड भी हो सकता है।
So personally, what you feel means yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
In what out of one, if you want to say, so what you want to say?
Guide. I think he wants to say
Guide, correct. Overall.
Overall is a trainer.
And trainer. And for me, coach is a kind of friend that you have, yeah,
Yeah.
because player always try to share their all their views friendly, that he got this kind of issue during the match, and according to their academics, he always share their views. So all these maybe according to my, it is a friend. And now I request Ajay sir, uh, according to you, uh, what are the factors generally coach seeing in player? Means what kind of player generally coaches find to make his he or she a future champion?
In my opinion, let's go to a bit of
Okay.
background जो डॉक्टर साईनाथ ने कल या
Okay, sir.
परसों ग्रुप में शेयर किया था कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज I'll say finding a suitable learner first of all.
Learner.
जो जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, 3 से the age group was defined as between 3 to 7 कि उन लोगों से शुरू करना चाहिए उन लोगों को आने के लिए between 3 to 7 years, ताकि वो टाइम के साथ जो है ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करें। और एक्चुअली हमारे यहाँ हो क्या रहा है कि जो 40 प्लस किड्स है या 14 इयर्स प्लस स्टूडेंट्स है, हम लोग उनकी तरफ ध्यान देते हैं। अब ये थोड़ा बड़े हो गए हैं तो अब ये ज्यादा अच्छे से हमारी एडवाइस को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, सजेशन को फॉलो कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
तो इस एरिया में अगर हम थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट करें तो हमारे जो हालात हैं या जो सिचुएशन है वो थोड़ा बेटर हो सकती है।
And thank you, Ajay sir. Thank you, Ajay sir, for telling about that. What are the qualities coach finding in a player? That he generally want a good learner. Good learner.
क्वालिटी वाइज I'll say first of all is discipline. जो first of all is discipline.
Yes, sir.
कि जो टाइम कोच डिसाइड करता है,
Okay.
अगर वो मान लीजिए 2 बजे है, 3 बजे है, 4 जो भी टाइम है, तो
Okay.
अगर स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले डिसिप्लिन के साथ स्टार्ट करेगा, यानी टाइम गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करना स्टार्ट करेगा, तो इट कैन बी अ गेम चेंजर, क्योंकि उसमें सेंस ऑफ
Okay. Okay, sir. So, ultimate, the main is the player should be in a discipline, right? And now I request Gaurav sir. Sir, what are your views on today's topic, that coach role in player performance? Mainly in context to when any player going to participate in a local tournament or any kind of tournament. So what are the responsibility of coach will be there according to you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Correct. Sir. Okay. 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 Hmm. Okay. Okay. Correct. To me, yes, yes, Akib sir. Okay, 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 okay. Ajay sir, yes सर किया जा सकता है. Yes, sir. One of coach is also teaching their PSPV Petroleum Sport Promotion Board Ajmer. रखो. टाइम टू टाइम बेसिस पे सर होता है. यस सर वहाँ पे है. जी सर. ओके. Okay. Yeah, that's the main ego factor. So, hmm, correct. Learning should be always correct. So, thank you, Gaurav sir. You have talked a lot of words regarding with the table tennis activities that we should focus on the expert. Means if we train by expert, then it will result. And it the age of player who going to learn table tennis sport or any sport, the player should start from the beginning at early age. That's the main point. And learn from the expert as well. And we should have a proper team regarding with the all the possible ways to train kids and give them a variety of situations, right? And now I just want to where it is Muhammad. I think he is left now. Sandeep sir. Hello, Sandeep sir. Yes, sir. As today's our topic is coach role in player performance. In this, we start with Akib sir. He just give a brief introduction of coach, and then we talk to Ajay sir that what are the quality a coach is seeking in a player. So they mostly focus on learner as well as disciplined player. And we also talked to Gaurav sir, and Gaurav sir mainly focus on that start from the beginning and have hire expert to train their kids or player to get the best performing in upcoming tournaments or any tournaments. So the same topic, I just want to invite you to share your views regarding the today's topic. That yes, sir, I'm listening. Hello, yes, sir. ओके सर. सर ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात सर कि आप हमें कुछ अच्छा गाइड कर पाएंगे. सो आप इस टॉपिक पे कुछ बोल सकते हैं. यस सर. यू यस सर, आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहे हैं. मेनली पर्पस हमारा वही है कि एक्सपीरियंस हम भी एक्सपीरियंस गेन चाहते हैं जो आपके वर्ड से हमको मिल जाएगा. जी सर. ओके 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 अच्छा करो। करेक्ट करेक्ट ओके 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 करेक्ट सर। हम्म हम्म, हम्म, ओके करेक्ट हम्म, ओके सर 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 थोड़ा सा एक पॉइंट मैं नोट करना चाहता हूँ। जब भी आपने बताया कि जो प्लेयर्स अच्छा खेल रहे हैं तो उनकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि वो अपने एरिया में या जहाँ रिसाइड कर रहे हैं न्यू प्लेयर तैयार कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी उस फेज से निकल चुके हैं। और वन मोर थिंग, आपने डिस्कशन में एक बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट कवर किया था, जो कि प्री साइडेड रबर आता है, तो उसको आप स्टार्टिंग से फैंटम या फिर ऑड रबर उनको लगा देते हैं। सो इसमें क्या है कि स्टार्टिंग तो हमको बेसिक नॉर्मल रबर से ही करना चाहिए। बेसिक नॉलेज गेन करने के बाद उनको स्विच, अगर को लगता है कि इसको दिक्कत आ रही है या उसके प्लेइंग स्टाइल इस पे, then we will move to switch that rubber, right? So from the beginning हमको pimple rubber use नहीं करनी चाहिए according to you. Yes sir. So starting हमको yes sir. Correct. Okay. Correct. Hmm. 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 Correct. Hmm. मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। Hmm. वो रीड करनी पड़ती है। ओके सर। सर थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट था सर, क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? क्योंकि अभी आपका जो नाम है वो संदीप के फोन से आप बता रहे हैं क्या? उज्ज्वल शर्मा। शर्मा सर। ओके सर। सर इन चैट बॉक्स आई एम जस्ट सेंडिंग यू अ नंबर, सो प्लीज आप उसमें मैसेज भी ड्रॉप कर दीजिएगा कि फर्दर हम आपसे टच में रह पाए। हेलो। यस गौरव सर। ओके सर। ओके। करेक्ट। ओके। सो यस यस आकिब सर।
हाँ भैया नमस्कार।
जी। Okay. Now, अजय सर, वन बाय वन हम पूछना चाहेंगे कि इफ यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग टू न्यू इन आवर टॉपिक, सो यू कैन ऐड. Correct, sir. Now, anything else? Gaurav, sir? जी. अच्छा, परफेक्ट. Yes, sir. Uh, uh, उज्ज्वल जी, हेलो। एक मिनट। यस उज्ज्वल जी। करेक्ट। यस सर। यस सर, कंटिन्यू। यस सर, कंटिन्यू। हाँ। यस सर। Accountability should be there. Yes. सर नहीं सर, वो दोनों, सर दोनों हर सर हर स्टेज पे हमको रोकना पड़ेगा. Sir, hello. Is I'm audible to all of you? Okay, sir. Dear influencer and participants, we have a lot of discussion on today's topic. That is coach role in player performance. And now I just start with a small 10 points. We will discuss and write down all the 10 points, right? So in that 10 points, we just want to cover starting from 0 to 100%, right? So when we start coaching to a new kid or a new student, we represent it as a P for player or participant. And similarly, same point, we use coach. Coach, we use symbol C. C for coach, P for player or participant. And now we have a straight line. Here, player at 0, here at a 0 position, and coach is at 100, right? And now we move to make player 100 and coaches responsibility to being a means from coach to, player to transforming that player into a coach or a mentor also. As Ujjwal sir already told that a professional player can also be a good instructor or mentor. So being a coach, we start with from a point 1 to 10, right? So first, what will be the first point regarding with the in point of view as a player, being a coach? What is first thing you do? Suppose if a student come to you, being a coach, you all are coach, and a student come to you. So what first thing you do to him? One by one, I just want to. Yes, Ajay sir. Sir, is it clear or not? The question that I'm asking. The question is that suppose a new player is come to you. Player is at a skill of 0. He don't know anything about table tennis sport. He is at 0, and now we will going to transform him to 100% professional player or a successful player. So we all going to discuss, then we write down one point. Okay, so Akib sir. Okay, Gaurav sir. Okay, so second is आपका क्या होगा? Okay, sir. So, okay, okay, correct. Hmm. Okay, correct. So, yes, Akib, sir. Okay, sir. Correct. So, sir, we got our first question. Means first point that if some any student come to you, any player. So first thing we have to develop interest, make them hobby, and transform that hobby into passion. And as well as as Gaurav sir told, that basic skill of table tennis. Now, second thing we move to according to you, when any student come to you, second point, what according to you in terms of knowledge about table tennis. Suppose any come to you and he want to, sir, I want one table tennis. How should I start? So he know forehand. So what first thing you do? That will be going to our second point. Means I just want to know that how you going to start involving kids into a table tennis sport, starting with table tennis equipment, or starting that a kid should you should prepare a proper kit of yours. You should have a proper racket and a towel, t-shirt. Means a student should have their proper kit. Right, correct. Grip. And Ajay sir, correct. We have to focus on grip, that is pen hold or shake. Yes, Ajay sir. Standing position. And Sandeep sir, uh, Sanjay sir, hello, hello. Okay. So yeah, Sanjay sir, we as we discussing on means if any student come to you, so first thing as we already find out that student have an interest, hobby or passion. Now, second thing, what you want to make a student should do, like grip, shake, grip or standing position, Ajay sir told. So, what is according to you? What's the standing position, then grip? Okay. And now, hello, Sandeep. Yes, Sandeep sir. Yeah, grip. Yes, sir. Control. Okay, correct, sir. Okay, correct. control. Okay, sir. So we also got our second point, that grip and standing position. In third, we should start a basic skill of table tennis, like ball tapping on racket and shadow practice uh, in our third point, right? Practice and right. And means to develop a controlling kind of habit, controlling of ball on racket and basic shadow practice of basic strokes of table tennis sport. Now we move to our fourth point. Uh, Suppose if any a student come to you, you have told all these things. Now we also very important thing we should do before, as Gaurav sir told us, that students should have a warm up kind of exercise, running and all that. So being a coach, we also focus on set a goal for player. Being a coach, we also have to develop a goal plan for upcoming student who come to you to being a table tennis player in future. So Sanjay sir, hello. Gautam sir. Sir, actually we just pointing out the 10 points, how any player you can transform a player at a zero level to a professional player, being a coach. So we have to write down 10 points. So first point, we have already write down 3 points. First one is interest or hobby in a student. Then second, grip and standing position. Third one is control, like ball tapping or shadow practice. Now in fourth point, according to goal setting off. So what do you think about it? Means how coach can be a for a good make player good one. Yeah, it's already done. Mental or tactical training. uh, Sir, I am just writing the number of all 8 9 10. So I just request all the influencer that as Gautam sir told us, mental or physical mental training or tactical training. So according to you, where it fall in means from 1 to 10 point, आप इस पॉइंट को कहाँ रखना चाहोगे? आकिब सर, as Gautam sir told us that mental and tactical trainings to the player. So according to you, 1 to 10 आप इस पॉइंट को कहाँ पे रखना चाहेंगे, प्लेस करना चाहेंगे all these 10 points? हेलो गौरव सर, गौरव सर, गौतम सर ने बोला है कि मेंटल ट्रेनिंग और टैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग्स फॉर प्लेयर. सो इस पॉइंट को आप कहाँ पे रखना चाहेंगे? मींस अभी ये इन्होंने अभी तक जो हमने पॉइंट 1 टू हम जा रहे हैं, ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं स्किल्स में. नहीं, फोर्थ पॉइंट इन्होंने बस पॉइंट सजेस्ट किया है. तो इस पॉइंट को हम कहाँ पे प्लेस करें आउट ऑफ 10? वी ऑलरेडी डन 3 पॉइंट तक वी हैव डन. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, means okay. Okay. So it can be six or seven. It may be seven. Right, right, right. So as we have already done now, what according to you goal अगर हमको सेट करना है तो गोल आप किस स्टेज में सेट करेंगे? That we know that player have already know interest, they know grip, they know basic skill like ball tabbing off the table. Off the table they know, he know how to do ball tossing or shadow practice, but he moved till now on table. So, what will be the goal setting stage where you put goal setting for player? Okay, goal setting first point होना चाहिए. Okay, correct. Hmm. Okay, correct. मतलब विश ये साकिब सर. Hmm. Correct, 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 correct. Now, as at what stage when you should start training on table means they know how to control ball on racket. You also set the goal for players that beta you should be district level player. So now what are the basics you do that you have already set? Now on table, what are the on table practice when you should suggest? At which point? We have completed till 4 point. Now we are on point 5, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So on table, when we like doing drill practice, counter rally practice on forehand counter, backhand counter, forehand push, backhand, right. So on table, where you place this activity for them? Okay. So now, dear participant, we just going to conclude this point we have just discussed that how you can transform a player from at a zero grassroots level to a professional player. Being a coach, how you can deliver your knowledge to them. So first thing we start with developing an interest or hobby about table tennis sport in a student. Then tell them about basic about knowledge about grip of racket, how to hold grip, and basic standing position and control by ball tabbing and goal setting for the students and have a practice on table too. And when local tournament going to organize or so let them play there to test their skill that how they learn uh, about and what is their level of improvement. And after the most important thing tournament, when student play player play over there, then they also get a kind of exposure how tournament is going on, how he or she have to perform over there, and what are the problems faced by them. So we also start gradually training them about mental training to them, that when you at a condition of uh, due position like 10 all, so what will be your strategy, how you going to do the serve, right? And after that, again, yes, Gaurav sir. Okay, correct. Okay, correct, correct. Okay, correct. Okay. One more thing, sir. As Gaurav sir told us, so at the end, we just have a brief discussion on this topic. What is the importance of visualization according to you? Means this question I am going to shoot all the participant one by one. You just share your views about visualization technique in our sport. Means what is the role of visualization in context of player performance? As Gaurav sir told us that you should have a each and every session you should have a recording of that. Gautam sir, hello, hello, Sanjay sir, hello. Yeah, Sanjay sir, you are not audible. Your speaker is already unmuted. Yes, sir. Now you are audible. Visual. Yes, sir. Okay. And Akib sir, what is according to you means visualization is helpful to table tennis? Okay. So thank you, Ajay sir. Sorry, thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Sanjay sir. And now, Akib sir. Hello. Hello. So now, dear participant, it is very important suggestion from Gaurav sir that we should also use current techniques, means current technology, that we should record our session and have a proper watch on it and point out the uh, errors made by student or players to rectify them and work on their basic skills and have a performance in next upcoming tournament. And now, so today's our discussion coach role in player performance. It is a very interesting topic, and I am very thankful to Akib Khushis sir to share their views about coach role. And you also give us a very key points of coach importance in table tennis sport. that we should start from the beginning and learn from the expert. And Ujjwal Sarma sir, I'm very thankful to you that you also mentioned some key points uh, to promote table tennis. We should start at a grassroots level to means if the base is strong, then already the player will be very good in future. And thank you, Sanjay sir, for joining us in today's session. And Gautam sir, thank you very much to being a part of our today's online meeting with the topic of today's topic, coach role. And thank you, Akib sir. Thank you, Gaurav sir. And at the end, I just want to ask a question. Ujjwal sir, did you send your contact to our number? Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. So today's now we officially close our session. Yes, sir.